ONGOAL Technology Company Limited as a leading integrated service provider of material handling systems. Since established in 2008, has been committed to R&D in the field of materials handling automation. For new energy, food and medicine, rubber, plastics and chemical industries, ONGOAL provides one-stop solutions for whole plant design and planning, core equipment and parts manufacturing, automatic control system design, etc. ONGOAL covers materials feeding, storage, conveying, mixing, dosing, drying, dust collecting, packing, and other production processes, combining the self-developed production management and intelligent control system to improve industrial customers' intelligent manufacturing by practicing philosophy of simple to invest, simple to install, simple to operate, simple to run, simple to maintain. ONGOAL with CATL, BYD, Sunwoda, Eve, Svolt, Shanshan, Huayo Cobalt, etc. have established cooperation. ONGOAL's strength is approved and recognized by customers. In the field of new energy battery homogenization, ONGOAL can provide powder feeding system, pulping system, and slurry conveying system one-stop solution. The self-developed and patented dual planetary slurry mixer, by dynamic simulation and advanced design, realizes propeller rotation without repeating path and improves pulping efficiency. High-efficiency slurry mixer adopts the innovative design of separate channels for mixing materials and dispersing function to solve problems of materials fast falling, easy returning, and overloading caused by traditional designs, to realize the inevitable infiltration and dispersion of slurry, and to improve the pulping efficiency. ONGOAL lithium battery material one-stop solution for ferrous lithium phosphate ternary precursors, cathode materials, anode materials, etc. provides integrated system services. Coulter mixer adopts low-speed mixing technology to realize small rising in temperature, low energy consumption, and to effectively improve mixing efficiency and uniformity. Tonnage packing machine adopts integrated design with functions of bag inflating, vibrating, double-check weighing to greatly reduce operation cost and energy consumption. With the mission of making material handling simpler, in Dongguan, Juzhou, Wuxi, ONGOAL set up R&D and production centers and established software development center in Changsha, with the total cover more than 200,000 square meters. ONGOAL has been awarded National High-Tech Enterprise, Guangdong Scientific and Technologic Enterprise, Dongguan Scale and Income Doubling Pilot Enterprise, Guangdong Engineering Technology Research Center for Intelligent Batching and Conveying System, etc. Adhering service philosophy of dedicated to customers' full satisfaction, ONGOAL will continue to provide customers with more efficient, more intelligent one-stop solutions for material handling, and to promote the intelligent transformation and upgrading of the manufacturing industry.